Hi, welcome you all to the Power of Purple Tarot, and this video is for my water signs Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, and this is related to what universe has in store for you. So I'll be checking with the cards as well and with the charms that I've kept for you to have some little more information regarding this. Okay, let's see. What the cards have to say for my water signs. What's there, what the universe wants to tell, what the universe wants to point out, what is there for you, what is bothering you, or something that is not making you happy or that will make you happy. Any news, any information, what universe wants to tell you, to connect with. Okay, the fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. What else? Deceit. Okay, let's check out the cards. And okay, I'll go to that later. First, there came the Archangel, the fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Hope you can see, it's not glaring. So here you are asked to concentrate on the throat chakra. It's related to communication. So just surround yourself. Just close your eyes, meditate. Just imagine that you are surrounded by a blue light, and this is your third chakra being lit up in blue, and you're absorbing the blue light. You pray to Archangel Gabriel that please, my dear guardian, my dear angel, please help me to heal my throat chakra and activate my throat chakra so that I can really communicate well and it works out, things work out for me. So maybe something is blocking your communication, what I'm seeing, that water signs, or some communication that is somebody wants to communicate to you, three of you. Maybe there's something between Cancer and a Pisces, or Cancer or a Scorpio, maybe a Scorpio and a Pisces. I don't know what is happening with the three of you. Maybe I see many water signs. I see many water signs in general that they are not communicating. They are in sync with each other, but they're not communicating with each other properly, or maybe they are not communicating to anyone properly. Maybe there is a lot of lack of communication, and that is creating a lot of problem in your life. Maybe this deceit the thing came that so maybe it's a self deceit. That's what I'm getting, that. And since you are not communicating clearly to the other person, you're not telling the other person clearly about your feelings and what you feel and what you want and what you would like to take things to. And I'm getting mostly in this relationship cases, the messages that is coming to me right now. So that is the case, that you are feeling some kind of feelings that you're being cheated, that you are not being loved, or not, you are hated, and you are not being taken honestly, not being dealt honestly by the other person. So 3 and 7 can be an important number for you, both of you, 3 of you, all the water signs. Okay, what else? The bottom of the deck is cornucopia. There is abundance. So what you need to do is please follow this. Okay, you can go through the guided meditations on throat chakra, or you pray to Archangel Gabriel to heal your throat chakra so that you can communicate clearly. Once you communicate clearly, the deceit you are feeling deep inside you, that you're feeling defeated, and maybe you are the reason of somebody's deceit, or somebody has cheated on you, something that like that. So those feelings that have kept your emotions, like pent up emotions, you need to speak up. Once you speak up, perhaps you'll be finding some more better person in your life who will be helping you out, or maybe who will be connecting with you later on in a deeper level, so that this feeling of deceit will move away from your life. Okay, so abundance is waiting for you once you speak up. You need to speak up. Heal your throat chakra, that's the main information. Okay, so let's see with the other that's from the energy oracle decks for you. Let's see from Chris Cass Crazy Sexy Love Notes what's there for you. I'm sorry. Ask for help. See, just now we got the card of Archangel Gabriel for the fifth chakra, for your throat chakra. So ask for help. Ask your angels are just a call away from you. So you need to ask your angels to help you with this burden that you are facing in your life. It will help you to move in your personal life, in your career, in your own happiness. It will bring in your own happiness once you speak. Another card that came dropping in is forgiveness heals. So you need to forget and forgive someone and move on with your life and forgive someone. Maybe that person has some other reasons to choose their own life's decision that has not favored you perhaps. So forgive that person. Don't forget, like, forget the pain that it brought to you. Again, I'm telling you, I always tell the other signs, so forget the pain that it brings to you, but not the lesson that comes with it. But forgiveness is very important, because that will help you to heal and move on. And once you are healed, your relationship heals, and you can heal other people around you. And you are water signs, intuitive signs, so you are good healers as well. Okay, let's pick up the charms now to see what the charms is going to say for you. Okay, beautiful charms. The bird, it's like the phoenix. Your growth will be like the phoenix once you open up with the communication. Okay. The dragonfly spirit, the spirit of the hard work of a dragonfly, the spirited dragonfly who never gives up, works very hard so that it can store things for in winter. Spirit of and the beauty of the dragonfly. It also reminds me of some spring. So something is going to happen with this in the spring. That's what I'm feeling. If you really work on your communication and you just forgive things around you. I'm not asking you to forget, but do not remember the pain it brings. Remember the lesson it brings. Okay, this is a horse, related to the energy of a horse, or maybe the magic of majestic unicorn that will bring the magic in your life. Key to your key. Okay, communication is the key. So you need to communicate so that the deceit, you can forgive, you can move on, you can bring a closure to certain situation. Or maybe this key is related to once you speak up, this will help you in moving on with your new career. And this is the angel wing, Archangel Gabriel, and the other angels that is protecting always 24/7. So please ask for help. And Lord Ganesha, Hindu god Lord Ganesha, he brings prosperity in people's life, a great symbol for you. Okay, that's all for water signs. Anything you would like to do if you would like to book the person's reading regarding your life, any questions regarding your life or your career or love life, you can always DM me on Instagram as Power of Purple Tarot, or drop in an email at powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com. and do like, share and subscribe my video, and do comment on what kind of videos you like. And all of you may not resonate with the reading, because at times there are millions of people in the world. So if you are not resonating, it's okay. Just go through the wisdom. You can work on from the wisdom of the cards, because these cards come up with great information for us. Okay, so I hope to was looking forward to you with new videos. So you have to stay tuned with me as well and do great things in your life. Wish you best of luck, water signs. Bye and take care.